Racing just is started. We have Security Joy, very quickly restart. Hot Conquistador, Lucky Lorky, and on the outside now is Safety's Gold. Passing by the jet stand for the first time. We have Security Joy, followed by Conquistador in second. Hot in the middle portion, then followed by Safety's Gold, while Lucky Lorky now racing in fifth. And going along for the first turn, we have Security Joy by about 3/4 of a length lead. Hot is right behind in second. Moving up down on the inside is Safety's Gold, Conquistador. Then next on line now is Lucky Lorky. Half mile distance they travel. We have Security Joy by a length and a half. Moving up on the outside now is Safety's Gold, hot in the middle, then followed over by entry number 2, Conquistador and Lucky Lorky. And at the far turn, we have Security Joy by about 2 lengths. And in second, Safety's Gold, then followed over by Hot Lucky Lorky. Finds some opening down on the inside, Conquistador. And as they swing for home, we have Security Joy by about 3 lengths. Hot in second, moving apart the outside is Lucky Lorky, but it's still Security Joy, followed by Lucky Lorky in second. We have Security Joy, followed by Lucky Lorky, and finally it's Security Joy. Lucky Lorky hot, then comes Conquistador and Safety's Gold.